Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's December 31st, 2018. It's the last day of 2018. So I decided to do a mini vlog just for tonight and tomorrow. My goal is to put it up tomorrow and celebrate New Year's with you guys. Let's hope it happens. So as you guys can see, I already started getting ready. My goal was to go with a dark blue smoky eye from the Subculture palette. I mainly wanted to use Axis, which is what I did. That's all I have on my crease, with a little bit of I have a little bit of Untamed in the crease, and I also have a little bit of Burnt Orange from the Modern Renaissance palette, and then I have eyeliner on. So the glittery eyeliner was actually inspired by Desi Perkins. You know how she did a blue eyeliner? For that, I used the Inglot eyeliner. This is the white one, number 76. And it kind of got mixed with the eyeshadow, so I kind of just rolled with it. And then on top of it, I put the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in the shade Dramatic Sparkle. So it's just the silver one. This is the one that I'm using. Yeah, that's the one that I used on top of the white eyeliner. And this is what we got. Sorry. The lighting is not great because, you know, I only have my Reese's lights on and I don't have any studio lights or anything of that case, and it's dark outside already. So let's just get ready. I'm gonna finish getting ready with you guys. I'm gonna listen to some music and just, you know, speed through this process.
I know it can be a mess and I'll make you too stressed out. You make me feel tired when I like to lay my head down. You like it soft when I'm always so loud, but at the end of the day we're still hooked on the same sound. You make me feel loved, then you make me feel worthless. I drive you insane, but you know that we're perfect. 'Cause even when I push away, you're coming back for me. We're like day and night, but baby we're worth it. 'Cause everybody hurts sometimes, but we gon' make it alright. I'll always be by your side.
So I wasn't able to finish my get ready with me because my camera died. But now we're at my mother-in-law's and this is the final look. Hey! Hi! Jelly Bean! Jenner! Hi! Hi! Ah! Oh my god. It's almost New Year's! Hi Dad! Is it recording? Happy New Year's, everyone!
So what's up? No, wait. So what's up?
Hey guys, happy 2019! So today's January 1st, 2019. I hope you guys had a great start to this new year. And I just want to wish you guys lots of love, blessings, and just lots of joy on this new year. And I also, excuse my voice, I don't know why it's raspy. I also want to wish you guys lots of success on this new year, and I wish you guys nothing but the best in 2019, and I hope you guys conquer anything you guys want in this new year. And yeah, that's it for me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.